Hi guys, my name is Quentin Brown. I'm the guy that's trying to print a 3D Ford Waterfall, 3536 Ford Waterfall. I thought it'd be a good time to introduce myself, show you the car that it's going on, and give you a little update on the prototype, the first prototype that I printed out, how it fit, and some of the adjustments I need to make on the Waterfall itself to hopefully get it fitting perfect. This is my car. It's a 1935 Ford Slantback Sedan or Flatback Sedan. Mustang 2 front end, small block Chevy, parallel leaf springs. It was originally built by Mike Meeker, and it used to be shiny black, then he put it in this flat black, and it looks awesome. Right now it has white walls in the back and black walls in the front because I took it to Louisville this year, and coming home, the white walls decided they had enough. So I had stopped at a tire shop in Evansville, Indiana. I put those black walls on there just to kind of get me home. But then the more I started looking at the black walls, I kind of liked them on the car. So I think I'm gonna put black walls on the car all the way around eventually inside the car. Okay, we're inside the car here, and you can kind of see what I'm talking about here and why I kind of went down this road. You can see here's my dash. The dash has been filled for the ashtray or radio. So that was one big reason why I started this whole process, was I did not want to cut a hole in the dash for the ashtray or radio or whatever I would put in there. I just didn't really want to cut a hole in the dash. So that's why I decided to make this 3D printed piece. Here the 3D printed piece is. Let me hook it up here. So first off, you can see that this hole right here needs to get moved up. I'm guessing by 1/4 to 1/2, somewhere in there. I need to take better measurements on it. And then you'll also see right now it's not going all the way to the bottom. I need to move that probably by 1/8 to 1/4. So I'm gonna make some 3D printed strips here just to test these things, so I'm not printing a whole waterfall each time. And I'll come out here and I'll test fit it to the car to see where it is. But you can force it on there, and it fits pretty good when you force it on there, when you hold it down at the bottom. So I'm pretty happy with that. It looks pretty good. Part of me even wants to just run it with just the 3D printed piece, but just so when people ever ask me about it, I can just show them right then and there that the 3D print that is a 3D printed piece. But I'll probably finish it. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you guys an update. I'm gonna make some of those prototype test pieces to see how it fits a little bit better, and we'll go from there.